Hey, I hope you're well. I am reaching out to just a handful of franchisors in my network, early franchisors, who I hand selected to invite you to be a part of a new, it's going to be called the F3 Exponential Growth Roundtable program. And what it is an opportunity to get together with some peers. So it's only going to be for franchisors with 10 and under units. And I'm going to host every 2 weeks a 1 hour roundtable via conference call on Zoom, or it might be not Zoom, I'm not sure yet, but it will be on a video platform for us to get together. And I'll start out with a hot topic in franchising. So in franchising for emerging franchisors. So it'll be something like best methods for tracking KPIs at the stage you're at, or it might be best practices in franchise recruitment, how to use Facebook or other things. I might even bring in an expert on certain topics to talk for 10 minutes at the beginning. And then once we've put the topic out there, there will be an opportunity for everybody to have a roundtable discussion and learn from each other. The reason I think this is so valuable is because at the conferences, people always say that the franchise conferences and things, people always say they get a lot out of talking with peers that are going through the exact same challenges or have just recently gone through the challenges. Then you can kind of be prepared for what's coming and find out some solutions for how you can potentially avoid making the mistakes you don't need to make and work together as a team. There's going to be some other value in this as well. I'm going to throw in for the first 5 people that sign up, you're potentially one of them. I'm going to throw in a copy of my F3 framework, which is the mind map that shows all the components of franchising, and the many people I've used it with to work with and shown it to in the franchise industry, including industry leaders, have been wowed and impressed by this way of helping early franchisors understand the things that you're going through, because I know what you're going through and I want to help you. So you'll get a copy of my F3 framework, and you'll get any resources that I use during the call if there's like a mini presentation. And also one of the big things is access to my network. You may know that I have a pretty robust network built up across North America. And by being in my program, it gives you an opportunity to have access to that network when we see there's a need for something. So it might be anything from a pre-vetted franchisor supplier, a supplier that would have a service that you need, that you don't have to go shopping around because I can tell you who to go to, or maybe an established franchisor that has offered to, offer some advice to different people in my network, because I do have people that have done that. I'm also going to, for the first 5 people that sign up, I'm going to throw in a 1 hour coaching call on whatever you need help with, to be used within the first 6 months. So that's the program. And if you're interested, I will share more about it with you. Reach back out to me and let me know, and I'll let you know what the investment is for this, and let you know what the sort of more details of it are. But I'd like to launch this at the beginning of June. So let me know if you're interested, and if you're not interested, let me know so I can move on and chat with other people who will become the early adopters of the F3, which stands for my franchisor background, my franchisee perspective, and my time in the field, so my field experience. So it'll be the F3 Exponential Growth Roundtable. Let me know. Cheers.